If you're working on a project that requires a joining of multiple other patches of this mesh stitch, adding a single crochet border around your work just makes it a lot easier to join in the end. Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to crochet this chain mesh stitch, and also towards the end of the video I will be showing you how to crochet the edges around the border. So if you're interested, then keep on watching this video till the end. Okay, pick your yarn and the recommended hook size and let's get started. For the mesh chain stitch with a chain of 5, you will need to chain a multiple of 4 plus 2. I chained 16 plus 2 extra. Now we're going to skip the last chain, and into the next chain we're going to work 1 single crochet. After that we're going to chain 5, and then we're going to skip the next 3 chains, and into the 4th chain we're going to work 1 single crochet. Again we're going to chain 5, and then we're going to skip the next 3 chains, and into the 4th chain we're going to work 1 single crochet. You will repeat this same pattern until you reach the end of the row, and into the very last chain you're going to work 1 single crochet. And this is how row 1 should look like. For the second row we're going to chain 5 and turn our work. Now into the first chain 5 space we're going to work 1 single crochet. After that we're going to chain 5, and into the next chain 5 space we're going to work 1 single crochet. Now repeat this pattern until you reach the last chain 5 space, and I will show you what to do from there. After working 1 single crochet into the last chain 5 space, we're going to chain 2, and then we're going to work 1 double crochet into the top of the last single crochet stitch. For row 3, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. And into the top of the same stitch, we're going to work 1 single crochet. We will then chain 5, and then we're going to skip the first 2 chains, and into the next chain 5 space we're going to work 1 single crochet. Again, we're going to chain 5, and into the next chain 5 space we're going to work 1 single crochet. We will keep repeating this pattern until we reach the last chain 5 space. From the second last chain 5 space, we're going to chain 5, and then we're going to work 1 single crochet into the third chain of the last chain 5 space. And that's the end of row 3. From here and on, it's just going to be a repeat pattern of row 2 and row 3 alternatingly until you reach the height that you want for your project. Now, if you're going to be adding the border around the edge of your project, do not cut your yarn because we're going to be continuing from where we stopped at the very last stitch. We're going to be working around the left side of our project. To begin, chain 1 and work 2 single crochet stitches around the first double crochet stitch below. Also note that if you see a chain 3, that is counted as a double crochet as well. After that, we have a single crochet stitch. We're going to work 1 single crochet into the side of that single crochet stitch. Find the center loop of that stitch and insert your hook to work your third single crochet stitch. Next, we have a double crochet stitch. Work 2 single crochets around the double crochet stitch. In the next single crochet, find the center of that loop and work 1 single crochet. Again, work 2 single crochet stitches around the next double crochet stitch. Into the last single crochet stitch, we're going to work 3 single crochet stitches. that will form the corner of our project. In order to do your third single crochet, slightly pivot your work to the right so that you can be able to work on the other side of your project. Now for this side, we're going to work 3 single crochets around the chain 5 spaces and 1 single crochet into each of the single crochet stitch. Okay, go ahead and work 3 single crochets around the first chain 5 space. Next we have a single crochet stitch. Find the center of that stitch and work 1 single crochet. Repeat the same pattern until you reach the next corner. Once you've reached the next corner, work 3 single crochets into that last single crochet stitch. While doing so, slightly pivot your work to the right to get you to the other side of your project. Now we're going to repeat what we did on each opposite sides. Here again we have a double crochet stitch followed by a single crochet and so on. You will notice that for every double crochet we work 2 single crochet around that stitch, and for every single crochet we work 1 single crochet around that stitch. Once you've reached the next corner of your project, work 3 single crochets into that last single crochet stitch, and then chain 1 and fasten off your work. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!